Traveling gives us peace. It turns a bad day into an amazing one instantly. One single day when we came to know from our friends that they get inspired by our travel stories, we thought, why don't we take it to a larger audience? There might be many people out there who would just need a kickstart, and if our stories can inspire people to go out and explore, then why not? Because if we can follow our dreams to travel, then certainly anybody can. And that is how we started our YouTube channel, the Veti Rider. We have been to different terrains across India. We have seen different seasons. We find joy in participating in various activities. We try not to miss any biking event. We plan for group rides with friends and make new friends from group rides. From luxurious to minimalistic stay, from hill station to historical places, from beaches to connecting with the nature, from open ghats to closed tunnels, from off-roading to a smooth surface, whether it's crossing a river, jungle or waterfalls. From less known places to the most liked places. Every single ride makes us feel alive. Ultimately, all that matters to us is to keep exploring. So join us in this special journey of ours of exploring places and getting one step closer to the nature by subscribing to our channel, The Veti Rider, where we make sure we get at least one explicit video every week. Hope we keep inspiring you with all our travel stories, which will in turn motivate us to keep traveling. In the end, life is all about creating memories, right?